Hi guys, it's Meeks, Joe, and Gina. We are sitting in my car, and Gina brought her car, which is that cute little white Ford Focus over there. It has a panic button on it, so because we have no lives, we're parked in Kmart's parking lot, and when people walk by, we're going to set the panic button on.
Alright guys, well that wasn't working too well at Kmart, so we went to a store called Michael's and made a sign that says caution, highly sensitive alarm. And now we're here at Toys R Us and we're seeing when we get here.
Alright, we didn't get to record it, but some guy just walked by and pointed at the sign laughing, right? Then he came by with his car and stopped in front of the car and started honking.
Okay, so there was this lady parked next to us, and we set the alarm off, and they were laughing, and then she goes, they should have parked that car really, really, really far away.
Also.
Keep it going even after they jump.
Yeah, just look in mirrors. I'm kidding.
How much you lose at me?
Guys, her eyes actually just came out of her face. They're on the floor. Oh my god.
I'm not.
Guys, I just realized something. I'm just standing here in the Toys R Us parking lot and I gotta show you something. Look up at the Toys R Us sign. I don't know if anyone noticed this before, but the R is backwards. I don't know if we should tell the owner or what we should do about this, but that's gonna be a problem.
It's like, what did I do?